it's a mourning dove, right?
Uh-huh.
This is mourning dove. And we have, I don't know if it's a resident hawk, but he comes pretty frequently to take bath in our pond or in the pool. He just came out of the pond, and
I actually think he's getting ready to go in.
well, he came out because he's wet, and then he's gonna go back in.
Okay.
Yeah. And based on the coloring, we think is he.
Reading the Merlin app, though, says that they have a lot of different colors. This one's a fairly large bird.
He hung around for quite a bit. I mean, just kind of sat out there between sunning and water, and it did go back in, right? Yeah. I think it's getting ready to go back in the pond, or it just came out.
We had two juveniles a couple of years ago, and looking right at us. We had two juveniles a couple of years ago, and I think this may be one of the ones that was a juvenile, and it's grown up. And we remember we once saw it take a bath in the pool.
Yeah. Also, I have a lotus pot on by my bee cord, and also took a bath in there. Yeah, I have fishing line in the pond to prevent the blue herons to come in and eating my goldfish.
Yeah, I'm surprised the hawk hasn't gone for the fish, but
maybe it did because I only have 5 left. I had 10. The background is acanthe, it's a green, and the reddish one is canna lily.
pretty bird, strong. Seems pretty comfortable in our yard though, and I know that it could see me. I wasn't very far away.
Getting ready to take off, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. He flew to the top of the umbrella and sat there for quite a bit, right?
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one?
No, this isn't when the robins were dive bombing it, but we do have we'll post some videos soon about some robins that were being very protective and kept harassing it while it sat on top of the umbrella.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
So this is second one. Okay, I thought it was just the one. Yeah. Like I said, they like to come.
No, the hawk's been hanging around. We're hoping it's gonna pick off some bunnies.
We did.
Sorry, bunny lovers.
We did bunny proof our property, but tiny little ones got in. He's now drying off in one of the tree limbs.
He was up there forever.
Yeah. Enjoying life. Have a nice view.
Nice view.
frogs. They're saying goodbye. So we had this pond for 29 years. The pump finally broke a month ago. Steve had to replace it. It lasted 29 years, so we're pretty lucky. That is Ruby Falls, redbud, Cercis canadensis. I saw one is called Flamethrower, and I think I'm gonna have to go get one of those.
Why?
Because it's got all flamethrower is different colors. It's like totally different. This is dwarf wisteria in the foreground. Goldfinch. They're checking out the poppies
They're waiting for the poppy pods.
to get ready. Actually, one did ripen. They already stripped it.
Yeah, they don't
They're
like
not-
them when they're green, but when they dry out, they go for them. We're gonna have a whole, I don't know what you call a flock of goldfinches, but we're gonna have a gaggle of goldfinches soon.
They know exactly when the poppy seed pods are ready, and they're coming. So I have to. It's gonna be a race because I need to save some seeds. So I'm plan to put some paper bags over some of them to save the seeds for next year.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty bird.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.